Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Assignment. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can hire or contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically it is the first chapter of EXP 2022. I first highlighted Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Assignment. This assignment consists of 26 steps. If you want to do this assignment, you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our first step. Our first step is we start Excel, download and open the file name EXP 2022 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Assignment Training. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So we go on our Excel worksheet. So I have already downloaded the EXP 2022 Chapter 1 Cumulative Training. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is use find and replace to find teacher and replace it with education. So in this step we find teacher and replace it with education. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the find and replace, find what is teacher with education. Replace all. So I replace teacher by education. So our step number 2 is completed. Our step number 3 is